Greetings to all our viewers and welcome to channel 173, the TV Mall channel here on DSTV. My name is Mutinta Benkele, joined in studio by Jumo, and we're talking all things anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant, the three antis. So let's talk about this. What is this? The Seabuckthorn, which is an interesting name.
Seabuckthorn berry
oil. So what is a Seabuckthorn, first of all?
I think this is actually coming from a fruit. It's an oil that is actually extracted from it. So the name Seabuckthorn is actually how, the plant looks.
Okay.
So basically this is actually plant origin, and this is extracted from the flesh of the plant.
Okay.
And you extract the oil. And very good properties in terms of what you have just about the three antis that we are talking about,
Yes.
which is anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant. So I think in a nutshell, I think it's just to look at this is where health is going.
Okay.
And for a long time, it should have been there, but somehow we didn't get there quick enough. So this is where health should have been in terms of focusing on anti-aging, for understanding antioxidants and understanding anti-inflammatory. So this is not to say when you get an inflammation, it's a bad thing.
Okay.
Because inflammation is actually a natural response to your body. It's the body is saying, I'm under attack. It could be under attack by germs. It could be under attack because you've got an injury. So it responds by, that's when now you get that pain, the redness, the swelling that comes with it, the heat that comes with the process. So that's just a mechanism to put back things where they're supposed to be. So it's a defense mechanism. It's a natural mechanism which is all good to make sure that everything is addressed and you can get back to normal functioning. But then what happens is because of the lifestyle that we live in, we end up having exaggerated effects where now things are not being controlled, where the inflammation goes on and goes on. So this is to bring this is a product that brings it back in order so that you don't get an exaggerated effect.
All right. So we've spoken quite a bit on anti-inflammatory.
Anti-inflammatory,
anti-inflammatory qualities.
Yeah.
And so you'd spray this on an area that you feel is inflamed, or?
This is not really for a place just inflamed. This is, I think, let's look at it this way. Let's look at it as a tissue oil.
I see.
This is something that we would like you to apply at night.
Okay.
Because at night, the skin is much more relaxed. So it absorbs better.
Okay.
So this is like a very good tissue oil that will cover in terms of looking after your skin properly. So what properties are we looking at? If you're going to look at use it for the skin, we are looking at a product that's going to nicely hydrate your skin. So if you've got dry skin, this is going to put back the moisture and make sure that you don't have that dryness. If the skin is cracking, this is a very good oil to make sure that you can handle that.
Okay, that's fantastic. So if you're looking for anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and an antioxidant product, you can get it here in this beautiful bottle, but it's valued at 299 Rand. So that's the retail value. But at TV Mall, we're all about saving. So you can save 50 Rand with us here today and pay only 249 Rand for the Seabuckthorn berry oil. That should be used as a tissue oil for hydrating your skin, as well as many other functions that are necessary for the functioning of our bodies and beautiful skin, right?
Would you like to have a look at how this oil, because it has got a beautiful color.
Okay.
So if you don't mind, I can spray some on you.
All right, let's do that.
It has got a very nice orange, yellowish color.
Okay.
I want to make sure that I don't just apply a lot.
Oh, that it's on your finger.
There we are. Okay.
So it almost looks like
so you can rub
turmeric.
it on. Right. Exactly.
Okay.
It has got that bright yellow or orange looking color. Why? Because it's full of antioxidants.
I see.
And the antioxidant that it has got has got lycopene, which is also another antioxidant that you would get actually from tomatoes as well.
I see.
And then it has got your beta-carotene.
That's
why you can look at that orange looks, and also the product has got vitamin C, it has got vitamin E. So if you apply it at night, we always say, use it like 30 minutes before you go to bed. Though it has got that orange look, when you've got dark skin and you apply it, it actually gets dissolves much quicker in like 15 minutes or under. But if you've got light skin, it takes about 25 minutes to half an hour for it to completely dissolve.
I won't walk around looking orange.
No, but this is why you're applying it at night. Because remember, I did mention earlier on that the best time to use it is actually at night because the skin is much more relaxed and it can absorb the oil much better. So that's why I want you to use it at night, just before you go to bed. So apply as much as you want on your face, and then you can apply on any affected areas because you're looking at looking after the skin.
I see.
But also, the anti-inflammatory effect comes in to control the exaggerated sort of effects that you get, say, with conditions like eczema and acne, where you get the skin drying and you get all that inflammation getting out of control. So when you use Seabuckthorn oil, what it does, it then controls the inflammation in those skin conditions and improves the healing and then brings back the normal process of how the skin should regenerate to place.
I see. So this is safe for dry skin conditions.
Very safe for dry skin, and if anything, if there's anything to go by, people with dry skin will benefit the most. Which is why if you've got dry eczema, this is a very good product that you can use, and you can get the results that are really lasting. And that condition you see with some people, you crack and you even get to bleed. So this is a very good natural oil that will get rid of the problem and make sure that you can actually live a healthier and normal life again.
Fantastic. So if you like what you hear, we're talking about the Lifematrix Seabuckthorn Omega-7 oil here at TV Mall for the price of 249 Rand. It's as simple as calling us on 0861 000 173 or logging on to tvmall.co.za to place your order to buy this product here today. So this is something that we have here at TV Mall. It's as simple as calling us or logging on. You can ask us questions at our call center, so you can call in and have your questions answered there, or log on to our social media and get a hold of us on Facebook and Twitter, we're TV Mall SA, and on Instagram, we're TV Mall SA1. So we've been speaking about it's anti-inflammatory.
Yes.
What is antioxidant and anti-aging about this product?
Right. When you look at aging, the process is exaggerated because when we're not eating well, when we're not taking in the right nutrients, the body is not actually getting the right foods or nutrients. What then happens is we are overloading the body with products that tend to be violent to the system. So you've got like a war going on in there, and then the body produces free radicals. So free radicals is like active molecules that then, if they are not kept under check, what they then do, they then attack healthy cells, and then they can damage them. Not only can they can also make them, behave in an abnormal way. So what you are looking at is antioxidants. So like the omega-7 is actually is acting as an antioxidant. So it's actually like putting off the wildfires that are happening in the body. So you are mopping up the free radicals. So it then, what it does, it reacts with those free radicals and then make sure that they are deactivated before they actually damage the skin.
All right. So that is the
antioxidant. Antioxidant quality.
Okay.
Yes.
So then the anti-aging.
Anti-aging is now the result of the fact that when you actually have got everything being put into place and the body is not, the cells are not maturing at a quicker rate than they should, then it means you start to age normally. This is why we're talking about aging gracefully. It just means that you're eating well, you are applying products that take care of you to make sure that there is no damage to this. Because when you've got damage to cells, what then happens is the skin also starts to lose its elasticity. You start getting wrinkles, you start sagging, and that gets you to look much older than what you really are. So this is where the anti-aging properties are coming in. This is why when you eat well, when we eat healthy, we always this is a way of making sure that the body can use all the nutrients properly, and then you can age properly without actually an exaggerated effect, because then the body is like fighting itself.
All right. Okay, so it's saving you from a lot, and I love how you said mopping up the wildfires in our bodies.
Yes, that's right.
So protecting your body from free radicals, as you mentioned.
Free radicals, that's right.
As well. And we're also in a time where we need a product to do more than just one thing. So one of our presenters said very effectively, we're in an age where we demand so much from products, one-trick ponies don't cut it anymore. So this is the Seabuckthorn omega-7 oil spray that has anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant qualities.
That's right.
That's quite a lot to get from one product.
That is.
Okay. So you say we just spray it on the evening?
You just apply it onto your face or where you have got, because you can also use it for sunburn.
Oh.
You can use it for you know, the spots that you do get, those liver spots, and you can actually apply on them and you can watch them disappear, you know, over a period of like 2 to 3 months. So it's very good for any spots that you can get on the skin. So you can apply directly onto those marks, and then you can actually just watch how easily it helps to make sure that the skin now starts behaving normally and make sure that it starts healing and regenerating the proper way.
I've got a question personally for myself. I generally have an oily skin type, so it's a bit difficult to keep up with. Putting an oil on oily skin, what would you say about that?
I like that. You know, that question, interestingly enough, putting oils on an oily skin and taking omega oils is actually what treats an oily skin better.
Okay. I would have never thought that.
That's what treats an oily skin better. So people would think, no, by avoiding them, no, it actually, they work better. And when you look at it, because it's overall the chemistry that's going to happen with taking in the product and then having it absorbed. And when you look at it, yes, you're applying it on the skin, but you must understand some of it is going to get absorbed and get into the bloodstream. And the omega-7 is going to work to make sure that it's helping with circulation, it's helping with making sure that if there's inflammation inside, so it's not only going to end on the outside. Because all products, because it's very key to make our viewers understand that products that you apply on the skin, most of them find their way in the bloodstream. That's why it's very important to make sure that whatever product you apply, you know that it is safe to do so, because it will end up in your skin, in your bloodstream. Yes.
And this is made of natural products as well?
Natural products, nothing actually that is added. This is actually strictly from the Seabuckthorn plant, and then they use the flesh to extract the oil.
But I really love how we spoke to dry skin conditions and now as well as oily skin conditions. So it's safe for everybody
It's safe for everybody.
All right, so this is the Seabuckthorn Omega-7 oil spray available here at TV Mall. It's as simple as picking up your phone and calling us on 0861 000 173 or logging on to tvmall.co.za to pay the simple price. It's a very simple price, this, of 249 Rand. It's not much to ask for all of these benefits: anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties from this Lifematrix Seabuckthorn Omega-7 spray. And as you saw, it's got this beautiful tint, easy to absorb. Just apply it in the evening and it's ready for everybody. It's really great for everybody.
That's so true.
From myself, Mutinta, and Jumo, till we meet again. Ciao.